Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day. I am hopping on to talk about Beautycounter's brand new Mighty Plump Ceramide Water Cream. This is a fantastic product. I think one of our best, most innovative products that we've launched. And this product is going to give you added hydration, extra moisture, but most importantly, it's going to give you ceramides. This is Beautycounter's first product with ceramides. Very hot topic because we want to support skin barrier function. So I'm going to tell you all about the product. I'm going to show you how to use it, and hopefully you'll think it's as cool as I do. So first and foremost, this product has two forms of hyaluronic acid. So it's going to be really great for added hydration and moisture. Sodium hyaluronate and hyaluronic acid helps to bring moisture from the air into the skin. And so it really helps to hydrate the skin. So the fact that we have two forms of that hyaluronic acid is really great. The cool thing though about this product is that even though it's really hydrating and moisturizing, it's not thick. It is very light and fluffy, very pillow-like. It is not a very thick cream. Very, very thin, lightweight. You can see very smooth, absorbs very easily, feels really nice on the skin. It's not heavy at all. You can even see a difference just putting it on the back of my hand. Very great, just daily moisturizer for somebody who wants that hydration and who also wants the ceramides to support skin barrier function. So let's talk a little bit about that. So your skin is made up of all different cells, right? We have a skin barrier that protects our skin. And, when you are using things like acids, glycolic acids, treatment products to try and speed up that skin cell turnover, you want to make sure that you're protecting your skin barrier. And so ceramides have become really popular because they're really the building blocks of our skin. And so adding ceramides back into the skin is really great for skin health. So I like to think of our skin as kind of having these little junctions, that kind of make up our skin. And the ceramides are kind of that filling in between that's going to really keep our skin healthy and really connect that skin barrier so that it's not compromised. So this is going to be a great product to add into your routine. This is a moisturizer. So when we talk about skincare, we've got 4 steps of a skincare routine. We've got cleanse, prep, treat, and protect. You got your cleanser as your first step, your toner as your second step, and then you've got a treatment step, something like a vitamin C serum or our Radiance serum, which is our natural retinol. And then you're going to use moisturizer as that protect step. And this really does protect the skin. I think this product works great as a daily moisturizer because it is so light and airy. Really great for somebody who's looking for a lighter weight moisturizer, but who wants that hydration. Somebody who maybe cannot use our Supreme Cream because it's too thick, but they want that like light and airy feeling that's going to also give the hydration. Again, for somebody who's wanting to add the ceramides, which I think everybody can benefit from, this product is going to be fantastic for that as a daily moisturizer. I would probably recommend using this as a daily moisturizer and then doing maybe a heavier moisturizer or a face oil for a nighttime moisturizer. You can use it for both. That's just my suggestion and how I'm using it personally and how I am talking to my clients about it. The other really cool thing about the ceramide cream is that it's called Mighty Plump. Now, why is it called Mighty Plump? We called it Mighty Plump because it physically your skin will look more plump when using it. Let me tell you how that works. It's not just a marketing term. If you know anything about Beautycounter, we are very, cautious in how we market things. We want to really say what is true about our products. And the reason we're calling it Mighty Plump is because this product will actually help to make your skin look more plump and more firm. The reason and the way that this works is you've got the sodium hyaluronate and the other form of hyaluronic acid. I already mentioned that hyaluronic acid helps to bring moisture to the skin. So right away, you're getting that effect of added moisture and hydration. And then you've got the ceramides, which are kind of locking in that moisture. So the skin is naturally going to look a little bit more plump and like it's a little bit more filled because you have that added hydration and then you're locking that in with the ceramide. So that's how those two kind of work together. They're a great pair. Ceramides work really well with hyaluronic acid because you're able to bring in the moisture and then lock it in. So that's why we've called it Mighty Plump, because when you apply it to your skin and also, you know, your neck area, don't ever forget the neck area. I've been more recently doing better about adding things to my neck area and my chest as I'm getting closer to 40. But it is just going to be a really great product for that. So again, how you would use this: use your cleanser to start with, and then use your toner or your essence, then use your treatment product. So I personally use the vitamin C serum in the morning, and then I'll take just a little bit of this and I will apply it all over my face. You don't need a lot, you just need a little bit. It feels wonderful on contact. It almost feels a little wet because it is so hydrating, but it's not wet. It goes on very smooth and dries pretty instantly. So that is our Mighty Plump Ceramide Water Cream. I hope that you will check it out. Of course, you can always ask if you have any questions at all. But I hope you love it as much as I do.